Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to prepare for Prometric examinations. So we know that the examination will be written based examination and also sometimes it will be viva or oral examination as well. So altogether, how should I prepare for Prometric examinations? So let me tell you, first of all, you should be having a proper arrangement in the sense from your duty schedule and all. You must be working. At the same time, you must have to study for your examination as well. Most of you will be having an 8-hour shift or a 9-hour shift and all. So along with your work schedule, along with your household works, how much time should I spend for studying the examination? So being a trainer, I can recommend you to keep a minimum of 2 hours a day in order to practice or in order to prepare for your Prometric examination. So first thing is that arrangement of the time from your duty schedule and even from your household activities. Second thing is that you should be knowing about what to study and what not to study, because we will be having different books which we have studied in MBBS, we have studied in BSc Nursing or in your pharmacy courses and all. But we cannot study all these books once again in order to write this examination. So what exactly you need to study? For example, for a GP, you will be taking USMLE Step 2 CK as your reference book. We know that the book is of 10,000 pages. So how can you study this 10,000 pages in 1 month or 2 months and all? It is impossible. So how should you arrange your syllabus, or how should you arrange your lectures? Which topic you need to study, which topic is not important, or which topic is more important for the Prometric examinations and all. For that, first of all, you should be knowing what is the syllabus which is provided by the particular Prometric center. For example, if you are planning for DHA, the DHA is actually said to have a proper syllabus: internal medicine, pediatric surgery, psychiatry, ethics, like that different topics are there. So under each lesson, what subtopics you have to study, which topics are repeatedly asking in examination or coming in the examination, which topic I can avoid in the examination and all when I am preparing, or for which lesson I need to give more focus and all, you should be having an idea. Third thing is that practice more mock test. So you have studied everything, but you didn't try to do a mock test. That means you will fail in the examination, because there is a particular time limit in the Prometric examination, which is 150 questions you need to finish within 165 minutes. That means you need to finish the exam within 2.5 hours or 2 hours 45 minutes, which means for one question you hardly get 1 minute. So in less than 1 minute, how to solve a question and all, you need to practice. That can be done only with the help of a particular mock test. So maybe first time when you do a mock test, 150 question you couldn't finish within this 165 minutes. So try doing more mock tests. And how much is the percentage that you're getting in each mock test? If you're getting 60%, then don't book for your examination. If you're getting an 80% or 85% and all in the mock test, then only you can book for the examination, because you need to have a minimum of 60% in the actual examination. But if you just get 60% in the mock test, then don't go for the examination. Practice more and more, revise more topics, revise more questions and all, then only you can book for the examination. Fourth point is, you can always try to approach a proper trainer or go for a proper training, which can be actually you will be getting from different institutes or from different trainers and all. So try to find out a proper coaching center or a trainer who can guide you throughout your period of study. So they will be having a proper syllabus, they will be having the lecture notes with you, recorded classes with them, so they will be sharing it with you. So with all these things, with the proper mock test, with the proper guidance from a trainer, of course you can clear the examination. So these are the major 5 things you need to keep it in mind when you are planning to prepare for the Prometric examination. If you are following all these 5 tips, you can easily clear the examination in your first attempt.